Please tell us about your company.
Sure. So I represent Unity International Limited. We are one of India's largest exporters of value-added tea. We ship to about 42 countries around the world, and our volumes will be roughly between 11 to 12,000 tons a year. Recently in India, we've launched a range of tea bags, which is Teeame, which is what you see behind us. And this is available as of now in 4 cities. Soon we're going to do a pan-India launch for the entire brand.
How much strong is your brand? How much strong is your brand?
So in tea bags, we recently entered the market. We've been under a different brand for the last 4 years, under the brand Jetty. And we had about 11% market share in the green tea category. Now we've relaunched the entire brand, and we hope to have about 10 to 12% share in the next 18 months.
What is the purpose of World Tea and Coffee Expo?
So World Tea and Coffee Expo is a great platform for all tea and coffee companies in India to partner together and see how we can enhance our products, how we can share our learnings, and also how we can collaboratively fight against similar products offered by different companies. So Indian tea companies fight a lot against teas from Sri Lanka in the global markets. So the idea is to build a platform where all the brains of the industry sit together and are able to hash out problems, find solutions to the problems that we are facing as the entire industry in general. We have a lot of companies represented here. Some of India's largest coffee and tea houses are present here. And that's the whole objective. The objective is how do we grow this category within our own country and abroad as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.